5 warning signs of kidney mostly ignored by women. Having healthy kidney is important for keeping your body healthy. The kidneys filter the blood and remove toxins from your body. Kidneys also play an important role in regulating hormone levels and blood pressure. Many people who have chronic kidney disease don't know it because the early signs can be very subtle. Here we list 5 warning signs of kidney mostly ignored by women. You are having trouble sleeping. When the kidneys are not filtering properly, toxins stay in the blood rather than leaving the body through the urine. This can make it difficult to sleep. There is also a link between obesity and chronic kidney disease, and sleep apnea is more common in those with chronic kidney disease compared with the general population. Changes in urine frequency. You see blood in your urine. Healthy kidneys typically keep the blood cells in the body when filtering wastage from the blood to create urine. But when the kidneys filters have been damaged, these blood cells can start to leak out into the urine. In addition to signaling kidney disease, blood in the urine can be indicative of tumors, kidney stones, or an infection. Back pain. One of the first noticeable signs you might have in a kidney issue is having back pain. Since your kidneys are actually higher up in your abdomen underneath your ribcage, a kidney infection can cause intense pain in the middle to upper back area, according to the Cleveland Clinic. Depending on the severity of the infection, this pain can also spread to the abdomen and groin. Swollen hands and feet. Since the kidneys are responsible for filtering excess water from the body, when they are not performing this function properly, the excess water builds up and causes swelling in the hands and ankles and feet, according to the National Kidney Foundation. The organization notes that this can also be a symptom of heart failure, so either way, it's not something that should be ignored. You have dry and itchy skin. Healthy kidneys do many important jobs. They remove wastage and extra fluid from your body, help make the red blood cells, help keep bones strong, and work to maintain the right amount of minerals in your blood. Dry and itchy skin can be a sign of the mineral and bone disease that often accompanies advanced kidney disease. Kidney trouble should always be taken seriously because a kidney problem, if it's not treated in time, can have a huge impact on your overall health and quality of life. Some kidney conditions are potentially fatal. Your kidney can become so damaged from a kidney infection or kidney cancer that they no longer function. When such kidney failure occurs, the only way you can survive is through a kidney transplant or dialysis. Kidneys are vital in so many different ways to your overall level of health and well-being, and they work most effectively when you follow a diet that promotes kidney health.